Maganda umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Aries with the fire elements. Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Isang like, subscribes, and share lang po. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng tinatawag na general reading para sa buong buwan ng April. So, let's see the energy surrounding you. Sandalit, may nagpatak na ha, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Eight of Wands, okay? So, ibig sabihin ng the Eight of Wands na ito is ito'y taong tinatawag na hindi perfectionist. I don't know ha, yun lang ha. It's like, I never imagined, sabi niya, I never imagined so much perfection. Yan ha. Pero, they meant what they said. I don't know, di ba? Yun ang nakikita ko ha. But they meant what they said. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the Seven of Cups. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na there is a Seven of Cups. Meron dito, it has something to do about health issue. Meron dito ha, health issue. Maaring itong taong ito is, it has something to do about maaring contagious illnesses, infection, di ba? Or genetic illness. Yan lang ang nakikita ko ha. Health illness lang. Okay ha? Yun. Okay? So, meron ditong tinatawag na dito. Kasi it seems this person has no worries ko wala siya sasakyan, di ba? Okay lang, wala sa sasakyan, may mga tricycle naman, jeepneys, di ba? Kasi it's like tinatawag carless, di ba? Wala siyang sasakyan. Maaring na-repossess ang sasakyan niya. Maaring meron tinatawag issue yung kanyang sasakyan, di ba? Yan. Yan lang. Sandali ito. So, yung devil naka-reversed, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, itong taong ito is, meron ditong tinatawag na it's all about kasi naka-reverse siya, di ba? So, it's like sinasabi niyang you are wrong. You are wrong. Bakit? Kasi narito yung tinatawag ito ha. Yan. Ito. Yan na. Sandali, tatakpan natin ito ba? Ito yung tinatawag na naka-reverse na ito, no? Pero, nakikita mo pa rin yung kanyang tinatawag emotions, di ba? It's like, they are not perfectionists, they don't care. Pero sinasabi niya, do you even care? Yan. It's like, may pakialam ka ba? Yan. Meron ka bang, it's like, may pagpapahalaga ka pa ba sa akin? Yan ha? Siguro may pagka-dramatic ang taong ito. I don't know. O baka yung tinatawag defensive lang ang tao na to. Okay? Yan lang ang nakikita ko. Okay? So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag na this person is haunted. Yan ha? Kasi narinig ang the cups, okay? The Seven of Cups and the devil. Yan ha? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, maybe they are trying to forget, pero nagbabalik Okay? It's like they are haunted, okay? Yung kanilang memories, maybe from the past, whatever happened to them. Yan ha? Nagbabalik ang memories or nagkakaroon ng flashback, okay? Flashbacks, trauma, di ba? Or maaring side effect, okay? Side effect ng kanilang tinatawag na gamot. Kasi meron ditong health issues. Baka naman yung kanilang mga gamot, it affects their brain, di ba? Kaya nakaka-experience sila ng tinatawag na it's like kasi meron, it's like creepy. Yan. Kala nila may mga nakatingin sa kanila, di ba? I think this person is nag-hallucinate, maybe because of the drugs, the pills, medication, okay? Na binibigay, ina-administer sa kanila. Kaya they feel na it's like somebody's watching them, di ba? Very, very creepy. Yan ha. So, I will see. Meron ditong tinatawag na the 9, okay? The 9 of Wands to the 8 of Wands, okay? There is an offer, okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nitong the 9 of Wands na ito, kayo, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, this person, merong offer, okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na, it's more about queen rising, king rising, di ba? Stepping into power, di ba? Yan. It's like tinatawag, meron dito matagal na wala sa limelight, na matagal na wala sa spotlight. Yan, magbabalik ha. Magbabalik ito. Yan ha. Yan, it's like tinatawag na it's all about socialite, di ba? Yan. Social life, or maybe this person is a working class, di ba? Yan, or maaring sabihin na nating this person lives in the city. It seems this person is a cowboy dahil nakikita dito. Yan na. The devil. Pero naka-reverse, di ba? Cowboy siya, di ba? It's like, hindi siya nabubugnot, di ba? If you tinatawag na i-criticize mo siya, hindi sila nabubugnot. Kasi naka-reverse ang the devil, di ba? It's like sinasabi ditong, hindi sila maramdamin, di ba? Yan. Pero maramdamin din sila, di ba? So, tingnan natin ha. Meron ditong the 2 of Wands. So, it has something to do about this person need time. They need time, okay? Because somebody is asking them to choose. Yan ha, okay? So, whatever is this, meron ditong, sabihin natin, 2, 3, 4 na tao. It's like they are proving you wrong. Okay, yan. It's like meron ditong taong tinatawag, prove me wrong. Yan, prove me wrong. Or they are proving you wrong. Okay, or baka ikaw nagsabi, yung tinatawag na mali ka. Okay, I prove you wrong. Ano ba namang English yun? Basta yun lang nakikita ko, ha? Yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, putulin na mo ang daliri ko. Diba? Yan. Mali ka. Yan, ha? Hindi. Kumbaga dito hindi totoo. Kumbaga dito mali ka. Yan, ha? Yan. So, meron ditong tinatawag na, yan. Kasi narinig ang ito, ha? Yan. The 8 and the 9 and the 7. Okay? And the 2 of Wands. So, it has something to do about feeling complete. Yan, happiness. About, ano tawag dito? Transformation. Okay? Elevation. Okay? Yan. So, meron ditong tinatawag single. Yan. There are single, maybe they are searching. Diba? Yan. Nakikita din dito yung tinatawag pagiging cowboy nila. Okay? Yan. Okay? So, meron dito yung tinatawag an offer. There is an offer. Very, very big offer. Okay? There is also obsession. Nakikita dito. Ha? Very, very obsessed ang tao na ito. Yan. Pero, ang nakikita ko dito is more about pang sarili lang niya. Diba? Obsession. Yan. Ha? Meron ding, sandali lang. Tingnan ko lang. Okay, the Queen of Cups, di ba? Naka-reverse ang the Queen of Cups. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na trap, okay? Yan, na-trap sila. Yan. Lockdown. Kung nasaan man sila, it's like they are in a place, okay? Yan. Maybe it's like a secret na kailangan hindi nila malaman bakit siya inas doon sa isang lugar. Naka-lockdown, parang nakatago, di ba? Kung ano man nangyari sa kanya, ganyan ha, yun na nakikita ko. So, it's like tinatawag, pwede rin naman ito yung tinatawag captive, okay? Hindi niya gusto, pero siya captive. Yung captive, okay? Okay.